1837, from Hobart she did sail. The Schah rode high on a southern gale, with Captain Milligan at the helm. Her fate was sealed in the ocean's realm. 22 souls on board that night, 9 crew, 13 in fragile flight, carrying cargo, gin and oil. But Shipwreck Creek would end her toil. The Schah went down in the dead of night. Winds howled fierce, no land in sight. Anchors broke and the waves did roar. 9 souls lost forevermore. With 80 feet of splintered beam, she sank beneath the ocean stream. A ship once proud, now claimed by the deep. In Shipwreck Creek she lies asleep. From Hobart bound for Sydney shore, the Schah fought winds but could take no more. Her crew of 9, her passengers 2, faced the storm with little to do. The Schah went down in the dead of night. Winds howled fierce, no land in sight. Anchors broke and the waves did roar. 9 souls lost forevermore. Gin and fruit spilled on the shore, but the storm's rage demanded more. Captain Milligan stood strong and tall, yet even he couldn't stop the fall. The Schah went down in the dead of night. Winds howled fierce, no land in sight. Anchors broke and the waves did roar. 9 souls lost forevermore. In the black of night, the sea did claim 9 lives lost to storm and flame. The Schah lies